Hi there, I'm Madame Pamita, and I want to thank you for joining me on this journey. This is a workshop that is part of our Sabbat series, and today we're going to be talking about the Sabbat of Imbolc and what that means. This is such a beautiful, beautiful, and not really well understood Sabbat. So this is so much fun for me to be able to teach you, show you, and empower you. I'm so excited to be going on this journey with you, and I want to thank you so much for taking this class. So let's jump in. I'm going to tell you a little bit about who I am, and then we're going to be talking about what we're going to be covering in this workshop. So I can't wait to jump in. So let's do it. All right, so here we go. All right, this is the Sabbat series, and this is the Imbolc class. Imbolc is the holiday that takes place on February 1st every year, and it is a very special holiday about this newly awakening world. It's kind of just spring is just starting to come out, and this is what this beautiful holiday is about, and so much more. So let's dive into it. First of all, I'm Madame Pamita. I am a Ukrainian American witch, but I also have Scottish, Irish, and English heritage from my father's side. I'm Ukrainian from my mother's side, and English, Scottish, and Irish from my father's. I am an author. I've written several books: Baba Yaga's Book of Witchcraft, the Book of Candle Magic, Magical Tarot, Cancer Witch, and more to come. I'm the owner of the Parlor of Wonders, and you can always find me, my workshops, my classes, my candles that I make, special offerings that I have. All can be found by going to parlorofwonders.com. My huge passion is teaching. I love teaching. The reason I love teaching is I'm super curious about the world. I love to find out, especially about spirituality. I love learning about spirituality, and then sharing that information with you, my years and years of learning and knowledge, and also the new things that I learned. Love sharing those with you and empowering you to be able to make some amazing magic. So this is my passion. You can find all the workshops that I offer by going to witchcraftworkshops.com. That'll just take you to the page on my website where you will find those. And you can also find more information that I like to share on my podcasts. I have one podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, which is a general magic podcast, and then Baba Yaga's Magic, which is a Slavic magic podcast. Those are both available online at these websites or any place that you listen to your podcasts. Now, what you're going to learn in this workshop is some amazing, a deep dive into this beautiful and special holiday. First of all, we'll be talking about the wheel of the year as a whole. What is the wheel of the year? Where did it come from? So we can understand what we're looking at this one holiday in the context of all of the 8 Sabbats. Next, we'll be talking about Imbolc in particular, the lore, what this holiday is about, and that general understanding of the holiday. After that, we'll be talking about the goddess Bridget. She is a huge part of this holiday. I mean, it's like a Reese's peanut butter cup. You can't separate Imbolc and Bridget, they go together. So we're going to be talking about her legend, her lore, who she is, and what she's about. Next, we're going to be talking about some of the symbols and the artifacts and talismans that are important for this holiday, rituals that are important for this holiday. And the first one is Bridget's cross. You can see Bridget's cross here in the photograph, this beautiful one that's hanging on this little stone window, it looks like. We'll be talking about the Bridget's cross, what it signifies, how it's made, and diving into that. Next, we'll be talking about the Bridog. The Bridog is the effigy that represents Bridget, and we'll be talking about the rituals associated with that. After that, we'll be talking about the Brat Breed. The Brat Breed is another talisman that's created around Imbolc. So we'll talk about how to make one of those. And then we'll be talking about Imbolc adjacent holidays. There's lots of holidays around this time, and we'll be talking about those different variations so that you can connect to those. Then I'll be giving you some rituals for Imbolc that you can do as a solitary practitioner, that you can do these on your own. You don't need other people to do these, and you can celebrate this holiday in a very special way by looking and participating or creating these rituals for yourself. After that, we'll be talking about group Imbolc rituals, things that you can do with other people. So if you have people that you practice with, you have a coven or other spiritual people or your family, you can do these group rituals for that. Next, we'll be talking about Imbolc divination, so special divinations that you can do at this holiday time, and some Imbolc spells that you can do, special spells that you can do. Finally, we'll be talking about how to work with the Imbolc Vigil candle. So if you purchase the Vigil candle from the Parlor of Wonders that goes along with this holiday, we'll talk about how you can do that candle, what you can do with that candle, and how you can use it in your magic. So, and how to prepare it, how to do the spell, and so on for that candle. So we've got a lot of ground to cover. So I'm so excited that you're going to be joining me on all of this and learning all of this. So you'll probably want to check out the next segment so that you can get started. So let's do it.